Good morning. I've just done half an hour walk and I'm here by this pond, but look at the rainbow. Look at the rainbow. So there's a rainbow there, and this is a make this is a man-made, yeah. So welcome to my live. Oh, it's gone. The rainbow I'm showing. There it is. Look at the rainbow. Cool. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. I don't know if I can see it from this angle. The geese. Yeah, look at the rainbow. Hey, good morning. I'm just realizing that I'm seeing rainbow in this fall here, in this man-made. Do you see the rainbow? Look at the rainbow. Good morning. Thanks for joining. I've just finished walking for half an hour and I stopped by this pond and I realized that there's a rainbow that's formed. I didn't know that. Do you see? Do you see the rainbow? That's cool for me. Whoops. There you go. There you go. I'm just stopping by here to rest. I'm going to try and do another half an hour. Look at that. There it is. I would love to take a picture of this. Look at that. Look at the rainbow. Look. Woo. Look at that. Anyway, people, anybody here have adult children? Adult children. This is what I want to talk about this morning. Because I realized that with your adult children, they are more difficult to deal with than when they're young. Because of course they're adults, and especially the 20s. You know, they think that they know everything and they do everything best, but that's not so. So Thursday I was at home cooking my curried fish. If you go on my channel, you'll find that. I put that up. And I was cooking my fish and my husband came in and we were talking about, you know, the day's event. And in comes a phone call. And that was my son. And anybody knows me know that I love my son. I love him dearly. That's my heartbeat. So in comes his phone call. And I hear his father say, "What?" So I said, what is it? And him said, what? The boy going to work and said the car stopped. What happened? I think it ran out of gas. Now, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Him have to pass the gas station to go to work. And the boy made the car run out of gas. You know, things that we should have just leave him at the roadside there and don't go for him. We should just allow him to walk it to work. The picnic made the car run out of gas. $20. $20 is not like him don't have it. $20. And the child allowed the car to run out. Thank you very much for those who are with me. And the child allowed the car to run out of gas. I don't know if anybody have the problem that I have with adult children. They don't hear, they don't take telling, and you constantly have to be worrying or thinking about what is happening. You constantly have to be talking to them. You constantly have to be doing things, and then they say that you don't treat them like an adult. But they don't behave like adults. They don't. Because when you're going to have a vehicle that is taking you to work for you to make money, and you're going to go to work and allow it to run out of gas, that is crazy. Good morning. Good morning, Nippon. I hope I'm pronouncing your name properly. But good morning. Thanks. Thanks for coming on. I really appreciate it. Yeah. So the boy ran out of gas. So his father now, just coming in from work, have to take up him tired self and go and give him his vehicle to go to work. Luckily, he had some gas at the house that he used in the mall. So he took up that, put it in the vehicle, get the vehicle starting, and go and get gas for him. Eh? No, tell me something. Tell me something now. If that's not ridiculous for you to... And you know, the worst thing, the guy got up in the morning and went on the road. He never see the needle and realized that the gas, it done. Pass. Usually, we never let our car pass half. Once the gas is half, we fill up. We would put more gas in. Once it reach half, we put more. And that's how we grow him. But no, them depart from where you tell them and do pure foolishness. Pure foolishness. Now, what if we weren't at home? What if we weren't at home? How we would get to work? Thanks very much. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Thanks for joining me. I'm just talking here about these adult children. How difficult they are to deal with. They don't listen. They don't listen, and they think that you are treating them like children. But you have to, because they're not doing the right thing. And you're preparing them for this wide world. You know? Look how dangerous this world is. So you're preparing them to not to make mistakes, of course, sometimes that you make, and to be their best. So from time to time, I see rainbow in this pond here. If you look carefully, you will see the rainbow. I'm seeing it vaguely now. But yeah, there's a rainbow. Oh, there it is. There it is. You see the rainbow there? Thanks for joining my live. I'm walking as usual. I'm on a mission. I have to get some pounds off. It's for my health. So I'm doing my little walk. Yeah. I'm not sure I can see it from this angle. Oops, this place is a mess. The goose. No, we're not seeing it from this side at all. What country you guys are from? Those persons who are on my live, can you tell me where you're viewing me from? I don't know this language. Where are you viewing me from? Are you hearing me? Just wave if you're hearing. If you're hearing me, wave. Give me a wave. No, I'm not seeing the rainbow from this side. So I guess I'm going to go back to that side to see it. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. Ah. So while I'm doing this, I'm just going to walk, but this place is messy a little bit. Good morning. Morning, everybody. What time is it by you now? It is 8 o'clock in the morning. What time of day is it? Yeah. So yes, we have to constantly be on these adult children so that they can know that they are to make the right decision. The right decision. Thanks for that thumbs up. The right decision, what they are not making. Foolish decision. This is a wrong place for me. The geese messes all over the place. I can't stay here, sir. Whoops. Then go back. Turn back. And I'm going to go down the road. Maybe I put in an hour walk this morning. Yeah. They don't listen. They don't listen at all. The boy run out of gas. Run out of gas. Never see this yet. Run out of gas. And we don't make our tank pass half. And he knows that. Okay? Run out of gas. gonna go on a walking trail. Here is it, the rainbow again. I'm really fascinated by it. I love to see the rainbow. At the end of the rainbow, you'll find a pot of gold. If I can find a pot of gold right there, so. At the end of the rainbow. Okay, I'm gonna walk. That way. Going across the road now. I'm walking. Oops. Oh Lord. I am walking. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining this live. I've been walking since about 2 weeks ago. It's time for walk. I like this place. It is well kept. What time is it now in your neck of the woods? People mowing. It's morning here. It is morning time. I'm gonna get a good walk today. I think I'm just gonna go down the road and then up the road. Thanks for joining. You can check out some of my videos. A lot of cooking, good Jamaican, my style cooking. You can get some ideas as to how Jamaicans cook. So you can go check out the videos. Thank you. Hello, hello. Thanks for joining. This is a walking video. I'm just getting in my steps. I should get 10,000 steps from this walk. I am looking to get 10,000. is a nice walk. It is a hi. What's his name? Manoj. Could be. Hi, how you doing? Thanks for joining. I appreciate it. How are you? I have things to do. This is Saturday. And of course, everybody has things to do. So, I'm really grateful for those of you that took the time out to be here with me, walking with me. I need a company. Oh, this person said morning, I think. Is it? I think that's what this says. Morning. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, this is a good walk. It is. And it's hot. Not even sure of the temperature now. But I know it's hot. It is hot. It is hot, people. Hot, hot, hot. Some shade. Ooh. Over there. Nice little manicure. Nice. I'm getting a little tired now. Yeah. Oh, since senior living. This is a senior. This is a senior apartment. Yeah. I think it's 55 and over. Yeah, 55 and over, you come here. All of the headache and stress to get somebody to mow your lawn. Go to the supermarket. And those things, when you reach certain age, and maybe not 55 because 55 is young. But when you get to 77, 75, 80. You need help. Really, a lot of persons at that age have all kind of chronic illnesses like high blood pressure, diabetes, kidney problem, cancer, and all these things. And so they need help. So they would go in this senior living apartments where you have persons to clean for you. You have persons that cook for you if you want, I suppose. I've never really gone. I maybe need to come and ask them for an interview. Yeah. So you have persons that does those things. I myself really don't. Some persons don't like it, but I really wouldn't have a problem going into one if I get to that age and have no help. Because I have one child, he's gonna be taken up with his family. Daughter-in-law don't want you to live with them. So I'm not going to them place to interfere with them. So me make up my mind already to check into one. Yeah. When I get to that age, which is not very far, I just check into one of these assistant living places where I know that there is help and I'm not bugging anybody. You know what I mean? So I don't have any problem. Some persons have problem with it. At least you have even nursing home. Nursing home, you don't really get the best of care per se. Not like you're at your home. But if you have no other choice rather than living on the street or living by yourself where you would fall or you become ill and there's nobody to assist you, I would say go there. If you cannot afford to pay, and sometimes it's not even cannot afford to pay, is the availability. Because I've seen in America where persons, they have their money and you can't get people. So you're living alone as an elderly person and you're limited in your movements and in things that you're able to do, but you can't get that 3 persons per day or 2. This minute they call, they say they're not coming to work. Then you are left alone and you don't want that to happen. So I would say nursing home. Nursing home. At least somebody is there. And it's not the best, and I know that. But when you're old, what you're gonna do? Live by yourself and you're gonna suffer just the same if you can't. If you're limited, you can't move around to cook, to shower yourself and do those things. So what you think? I don't have a problem. Me, for one, I don't have a problem with it. I really don't. It's not the best. And we all know that. It's truly not the best. Nothing better than your home. It's just like cooking. Fast food is not the best. But sometimes you're on the road and you just have to grab it. Just like I was on the road the other day and passing this place that said it sells chicken wings. I'm going there because I say I can't bother to go home and cook. And it's like me basically throw away my $20. My $20 that could give me 2 packs of chicken wings. And I go home and throw it in the air fryer. I went and I gave the people them my money. And if you see what I got, if you see what I got for my $20, not this, The chicken wing, the part of the chicken wing that is attached to the breast. When you cut the chicken wing, you would cut it off with a piece of the breast. They cut off that breast part, and that's what they sold me. 9 pieces, small pieces, bite size, for $9. That is robbery. And I didn't even see it until I left the restaurant. No, I will never ever go back there. And if I took my $9, I would get at least 12 chicken wings, if not more. As a matter of fact, I'm going to pass the supermarket now, and I'm going to go in it and look and see the price and how many chicken wings. Yeah, robbery, robbery. 9 bite size. I couldn't believe. 1 little cake box. Throw down 9 bite sizes in it for $9 US. Don't worth it, none at all. There's a CVS over there. Yeah, so waste your money and time. Time when I stop and wait. Go in the supermarket, pick up a pack of chicken wings. Go home and get 3 days dinner out of it. Ooh, I'm sweating. I am sweating. Oh my God. Hello? Oh my goodness. Ooh. When I go in the supermarket, I am going to look on the price of the chicken. Where do I walk? It's all taken up with grass. Ah, the sun. I'm telling you. But I need it. I need the vitamin D. Because when you live in this country, that most of the time, you know, it's the sun. Vitamin D gone. Need to go collect medication. Vitamin D gone. Okay. So I'm going to end the live now. When I get in the supermarket, I'm going to video that chicken wing again. And hello. Who is this person now? I can't pronounce that name. How you doing? How you doing? This is this Farhad. How are you this early morning? Early morning for me. I don't know what time for you, but it's early morning for me. Yeah. Early morning for me. Thanks for joining. Oh, Farhad. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hopefully I pronounce it properly. I don't think you can pronounce any other way. Okay. Whoops. I wonder where these people going. Yeah. So I should get my 10,000 steps. I'm gonna post it on my YouTube. I'm gonna check and see how many steps I get. I'm actually in the road walking. Let me come out. I don't like to walk in the grass. Wow. Wow. Yeah. I don't like walking in the grass. I don't like walking in the grass at all because I don't want to step in anything that I not to step in. Yeah. So these people they are so unreasonable because I don't know how you could sell those few little chicken bites. Those few little bites, one size, one eat for $9. Lord man, America hard but not so. I'ma make it harder. America harder. Woo. Oh Lord, thank you, Jesus. Yeah, this is nice. Really nice. I feel good. I feel good. So good. Lots and lots of cars in the parking lot. Look at cars. Look at cars. Yes, sir. Car galore. If you want car, come. Two side the road is car. Car. I need to come and get one. Should I go? Go over there, go. What video? Cars galore. Go over there. That's cars. Cars. Yes, sir. Parking lot full of car. Parking lot full of cars. Yep. One car, come get car. Anyway, I'm gonna hang up. I'm gonna end the live now. So, one more person came on. Thanks for coming. Whew. I'm kind of tired. Tired. That's the truck side. New truck, old truck. New truck and old truck. Yeah. That's the truck side. Car to the right and truck to the left. I know. Crew guys know too. Woo. All right. Let's end this now. Oh, Jesus.